La 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 la. Hey, how are you? So I hope you're doing well. Yeah, now welcome you to this new video. Yeah. So today we're going to look at the 3 potential bullish piercing patterns. And as you know, the bullish piercing is a reversal pattern. Yeah. So let's go ahead and begin here. And so with this, we're going to start with the first pattern, which is our on neck pattern. All right. And so with this particular pattern here, as you see here, it is a small body, a very small body candle for the bullish candle. And it actually closes below the closing price of the previous bearish candle. All right. So this is one of the piercing bullish candlestick patterns, which is wonderful. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. All right. So that we can be knowledgeable, so we can increase our profitability in the market and train our eyes, most definitely. All right. And the next one is the in neck pattern. And so let's go ahead and get that up here. All right. And here it is. All right. So with this particular candle, with the bullish candlestick here, it actually closes a little bit above the closing price of the previous bearish candle. All right. And so, which again, we're training our eye. And as you see with all of the piercing patterns, it is a reversal from the market, from the bearish to the bullish, of course. And so it's located usually on the support level. All right. And so those are the key areas you want to look at when you're looking at piercing patterns. All right. Because they will be located in your support area or your demand zones. All right. And so with this particular pattern, again, you see how this line is here. So you'll know it'll close a little bit into the body, but it's a little bit above the closing price of the bearish candlestick. All right. All right. So we're going to take note of that. Now let's go ahead and look at the next pattern here, which is our thrusting pattern for our piercing bullish pattern here. All right. And so here we have the third piercing pattern here. And so with this one, it is a lot stronger. See that candlestick body? It is a lot larger. And so with this one, it's stronger, it's longer, but it still closes below the mid line of the previous bearish candle. All right. And so this is the third pattern. All right. And so what we're going to do is actually look at these patterns on the charts. All right. So we can train our eye. And let me tell you, we're so used to seeing the engulfing pattern, but this is another pattern that we will see on the charts as well. So we're going to go ahead and take that in as well. Okay. All right. So we're on the Euro USD for our chart, and we have a pattern here. And as you see here, with this particular pattern, we do see where we have that smaller candle body there. And then it closed, you see, a little bit above the previous bearish candlestick. So with this particular pattern, of course, it'll be our in neck pattern, right? All right. And so let's go and find another pattern. All right. And so now we're on a USD JPY, and we see another one here. All right. And so that one is a thrusting. The body is a little longer. It's a little stronger of a candle, but it did close as well below the midpoint of the previous candle as well. All right. So let's continue and look for more. And we actually have one here too. So you do find them. We have one here as well. All right. And so with that one, it did close above the closing price of the previous bearish candle as well. So that one would be the in neck as well. All right. All right. And here's another one here that we are seeing. So let's see here. Boom. So the charts most definitely are full of those. All right. So we do have another in neck there, which is wonderful. So let's continue. All right, and so continuing on the USD JPY, we have another one here. All right, that we see. All right, and we actually have one here as well. All right, so the charts are actually full of them. What I didn't see a lot of is the on neck on today. But of course, the charts will have examples of those as well. We'll just have to keep looking for them. But you are knowledgeable of these type of chart patterns. And then down here, if you look down here, here's one as well. And so just become knowledgeable of the chart patterns so that you can utilize them in your trading journey and so that you can become profitable in the market. So what we're doing right now is just training our eye to see these patterns so we can acknowledge them when we come across them in the markets. So we're going to make sure we look at those in key areas, most definitely on your support line and also your demand zones, so that you can utilize those for reversals in the market. All right, so it's been a pleasure speaking with you on today, most definitely, and I hope this video was a help to you to help you increase your profitability in the markets. So have a beautiful day. All right, bye-bye.